I can listen to it in the preview speakers. So
Where's that button?
right here, audition.
Oh.
Yeah, it's up here.
Oh, it's up there. Oh.
Yeah. So
Audition, okay.
yeah, so all the other channels, you preview something by pressing the preview button. If you want to preview something on Enco, it's audition. And you press play on audition. And now I'm hearing it back here in the preview speakers, okay? Different from the monitor speakers of what's actually playing over the system. We'll notice a difference here, right? All right?
Yep.
Good job, man. He's pretty good.
You know, John Mayer got good music.
So, it's running this audition piece right now. Gravity. So I can stop it whenever I want just by clicking that button again.
Gotcha.
And now, just like I did with the news, I can just highlight it black and click and drag it into the playlist. And there it is. Does that make sense to everybody? Cool. Just because we're going to run a little bit over, I'm going to delete this branch event. But before I delete it, I'm going to explain what that is. So what you're looking at here is a soft branch. There's no audio. It is a piece of directive that is inserted into the bottom of the hour of the playlist. So there are two types of branches. There is a hard branch and a soft branch. Hard branch is programmed at a certain time to cut whatever is playing off and move to the next hour of programming. So, if it were a hard branch, at 10:59, whatever's playing is cut off and we move to the next hour, the next legal ID, and move on. If it's a soft branch, the directive will wait for whatever is playing to finish. Like if it had 30 seconds left, it will let it finish. And then it will transition to the next hour of programming. Does that make sense? Okay.
Why do you need the branches, though, to transition?
Because in automation hours, there's no one here to, make sure that the playlist is calculating.
Okay.
So if we were running really late, it would just keep playing stuff.
Okay.
As it was
and then
programmed.
It's just going over and over.
Yeah,
and
but
over.
the system is like, no, we're moving to the next hour back what we
Gotcha.
programmed. Yeah.
Gotcha.
It keeps us on track and
Yes.
on time
Okay.
for the most part. Now, I'm just going to delete this branch out of here because it looks like we're going to run into the top of 11 o'clock because it'll be 11 o'clock and 30 seconds after this news just because it looks like we're running a couple seconds behind. You should never delete a branch, but I'm just going to do that for time's sake. And it's also good to give you another example of how to delete something out of here.
So that last one, Beverly Lid, is looking to start at 11
o'clock and 32 seconds.
Right. So would you kill one of those promo?
No, because that's getting really nitpicky. It's still in the first minute of 11 o'clock.
Gotcha.
I think we'll be just fine.
Okay.